am Monae Everett. I am a celebrity and on-set hairstylist with over 16 years of experience. Quite often people ask me, how did I get to where I am today? So I recently did a webinar called So You Want to Be an On-Set Hairstylist, and from there I'm releasing my new series of classes called Mastering On-Set Hairstyling. So it's broken down into 4 different classes, and the first one is Mastering Straight Hair Styling on Set, then Mastering Wavy Hairstyling on Set, Curly Hairstyling on Set, and Coily or Kinky Hair on Set. In those classes, I'm going to teach you the science behind all 4 hair textures, how to build foundations within those hair textures, styling techniques, how to back brush, how to build volume. You know, you got to have volume with the style. And setting techniques including blow drying, curling iron, and flat iron, and how to use those tools in a multitude of different ways for all of the different hair textures. We may even get into some hair extensions and building. If you decide to go with the bundle, which I highly recommend, instead of the individual classes, there'll be a ton of bonuses in there, including the key to choosing the proper shapes for each hair texture, which types of styles work for each hair textures, a kit focus. So I'm going to show you what's in my kit and even give you some tips and tricks on building your very own professional hairstyling kit for onset, as well as suggested resources to help to get your career on track. And my personal favorite, I'm going to invite you to a private Facebook group that you can come and get support and ask questions. During the instructional webinars, you'll also be able to ask questions. All you got to do is head over to themonaelife.com to sign up. Once again, Monae Everett. Head on over to themonaelife.com to sign up for the 4-class series.